Hi, this is Jenny from 21 Ukulele Songs, and I'm going to teach you Down by the Riverside. It's in our new book, 21 Easy Ukulele Folk Songs. Down by the Riverside uses 4 chords. It uses a C chord, an F chord, a G7, and a C7. The strumming pattern is down, down, up, down, up. There will also be a version where I play the melody and it will be written out below. Enjoy it. Gonna lay down my sword and shield down by the riverside, down by the riverside, down by the riverside. Gonna lay down my sword and shield down by the riverside and study Gonna join hands with everyone down by the riverside, down by the riverside, down by the riverside. Gonna join hands with everyone down by the riverside and study more, no more. I ain't gonna study more 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 no more. Enjoy! If you like this video, please press like or leave a comment below. Visit ukulele.io to get free sheet music emailed to you. You can also purchase one of our books on Amazon where we teach you the skills you need to learn this and other songs. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button to get notifications about our weekly lesson uploads.